For this part, I would start by drawing the outside shape with lines. Add these circles in the slot. And then this hexagon. Round the corners with fillets and add the concentric circles. Use horizontal and vertical lines to create the outer shape. Place a circle with the midpoint of the line. Just pick the endpoint to define the radius. Add the 1 diameter circle and draw lines from the quadrant to make the slot. Trim it up. Erase the unnecessary line. Use the same method to add this other circle. Add a 6-sided circumscribed polygon to its center point. Use the apostrophe CAL to enter the calculator mode. Type 0.87 divided by 2. Press enter to define the radius. Erase the unnecessary line. Use fillet to round the corners. Always check and set the radius value when needed. Repeat the fillet and adjust the radius to 1. Add 2 concentric circles to the center point of your fillet. It's finished.